How to fix call ended problem. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can fix the call ended problem, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to basically fix the call ended problem on your Android or iOS or whatever else over here, it could actually be very simple to fix them. Now very first thing we have to do is, in order to actually make a call, we need to place a SIM card. So make sure that your SIM card is actually inserted properly and that the network tower is actually showing up at the top of the screen here, because if the tower is not showing here, it means that the SIM card is not inserted properly. Now once you make sure that your SIM card is actually inserted properly, the next thing you want to check is that whether or not your SIM card is activated. So to do this, you can simply open up your settings here and then go to connections. Once you go to connections, you can go to SIM manager, and then here you will find your SIM card over here. If it is activated, you'll find the number and everything else correctly here as well. Once you've done that, if you're not being able to place a call, make sure that you have enough balance. Depending upon the carrier that you are using, just try to check your balance. In my carrier it's *101#, so you can just check your balance over here and then make sure that you have enough balance in order to place a call. And once you make sure of that, last but not the least, just make sure you have not enabled flight mode or any of the other services, and also try restarting your device to help solve the problem. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.